So in this video we discuss how to create pencil symbol using keyboard shortcut. For doing this you must first open the Microsoft Word or PowerPoint in your Windows computer, and after that you must go to your keyboard, and the keyboard there you can see first you must enable the number lock. This is the number lock key. So if you press the number lock key, now you can see that the number lock have been turned on. You can see an alt key in the left side of your space bar. This is the alt key. You must press this alt key, that is, it means that you did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 999. So you type this 9, press the 9 key 4 times, and after that you can simply release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that we have created this symbol, that is symbol of pencil have been created. So this is the keyboard shortcut for creating the pencil symbol in your Windows computer. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.